Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to qualify for the IDEA. This video will take you through the ways to do so and more, so watch till the end. The Individual Development Accounts IDA program supports low-income families and other eligible groups. The main aim of the program is to help those eligible to save funds toward assets and therefore contribute to increased chances of financial stability. Through the IDA, eligible populations can save for assets like cars, education, training, start a business, or home purchase. The following eligibility criteria qualifies an applicant for the IDEA. Your annual income must be less than 200% of the federal poverty level for you or your entire household. Applicants must have a paying job which indicates continuous earned income. Your total assets worth, excluding one home and one car, shouldn't exceed $10,000. You must attend free financial training classes which aim to educate the applicant on topics such as money management, business planning, credit, and investing. So, there you have it. If you meet these requirements, you are eligible for the IDA program. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.